Hello adventurers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video, ibahin naman natin ang ating adventure today. So first time natin na lumabas or mag-hiking without my husband and my son. So for today's adventure, pupunta po kami ng Mount Baker, specifically sa Chain Lake Trail, together with my friend in the hospital. From the hospital, Marichu and Laika. We are nurses po dito sa Amerika, na yung usual daily routine po namin is nasa bahay, trabaho, bahay, trabaho. So, for today, ibe-break namin yung usual routine na yon by going hiking para makapag-relax na din kami, and then we will be refresh na din po, and kasi nakakapagod din yung trabaho namin. Mga night nurses po kami, and usually hindi po kami talaga halos nakakakita ng araw. Hindi po kami vampira, joke lang po. Well, anyway, so pag nagtatrabaho kami, lalo na pag winter, hindi po talaga kami halos makakakita ng araw kasi panggabi po kami sa araw, tulog po kami. So it's summertime and we decided na mag-hiking kami for this summer, and we called ourselves Hiking Mamas. O, diba, bongga? Pero anyway guys, ang gusto lang talaga namin is makapag-relax. Pero tingnan mo naman dito sa Mount Baker area. So, yung clouds, tingnan nyo, bumababa siya. Makapal siya na clouds. And then, uulan siya. Maganda pa rin siya tingnan, pero pag bago ka, parang mate-terrified ka at matatakot ka. But then, anyway, after a while, lumabas din naman si Haring Araw, and we were able to continue our hiking. Continue daw. But anyway, short story, ang nangyari niyan is supposed to be mga 6 mile yan na trail na loop. We were not able to finish the whole trail kasi nga hindi kami nakapag-warm up prior to our hiking. Kaya hindi namin natapos yung trail talaga. Siguro mga mga 1/4 lang ng trail yung natapos namin. But then anyway, yung trail, pangkalahatan, moderate siya. Kayang-kaya naman. And we just need to prepare ourselves before going in there. And I guess we did not prepare ourselves. So hopefully next year we were able to come back to this beautiful place and makapag warm up na talaga kami ng maayos para talagang matapos namin yung 6 miles na hike. So, there are some photos that I'm going to share to you guys. Tingnan nyo naman. We are very happy and we had so much fun doing our hiking for this summer. Kasama ko itong dalawa kong mga magagandang mga momas. So, enjoy guys, and thank you for watching.